My name is Gary Harper. I'm here today on behalf of More Recovery following the sad closure of the Royal Stafford production facility in the Pottery, Stoke-on-Trent, and we are looking to assist them in recovering best value for the assets of the business, comprising the full range of plant machinery, biscuit and finished ware stocks. This closure and liquidation insolvency marks possibly the end of major production in the potteries of household ware. The range of assets we have on site in what was a full production facility have everything from the slit to pressing, decoration, glazing and firing, as you would anticipate. So we can cater for a complete production facility, or if parties are desirous of looking at elements of that, we can at this stage look to accommodate prospective buyers who are coming to us from a number of different avenues. I do anticipate there will be a lot of further interest in the assets we've got here, with a window of opportunity probably extending to 2 months to clear the assets from site, so it will require timely attendance by parties to reach out to us, and then we can arrange viewings and inspections. For anybody interested in looking at the range and scope of assets we have in this facility, please contact businessassets@johnpye.com in the initial instance. Thank you.